a talk today called The Seven Myths of Success. And one of the things that drives through that whole speech is the thing about people forgetting to delegate or not wanting to delegate. And you can do so much as one person, but until you release that stuff to others, you're never going to go anywhere, because you start to get so jam-packed. And you know, it's that whole story which many of us have heard is, what do I do well and what don't I do well, and let it go.